Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you a step-by-step process of how to solve the problem of your advert being rejected, especially if you are trying to run an advert about how to make money online or how to invest. I will take time to explain into detail because I have suffered from this kind of policy, and a lot of time my advert has been rejected, and I'm just trying to advertise something genuine. So you take time to follow this video. By the time you would have finished watching it, you will understand basically how to solve this problem. So first of all, for example, if you come here, if you come to the ad campaign, click on the ads, you will see the rejected ad. When you click on it like this, it opens, and you see it says, it looks like your ad contains content that is not allowed on Meta's advertising platforms. This goes against our advertising standard, community standard, or terms of service. And then it says go to business support home. And when you go to business support home, I'm trying to go to the business support home to check exactly what they are saying to there as well. I will show you how to solve the problem, so take time and then watch it to the end. When you come here, come to the asset that are restricted, you see here that they say that unacceptable business practices is the policy that has been violated. Now, when you go to when you click here, for example, it tries to explain, or it says what happened. It looks like your ad contains deceptive, misleading business practices. This goes against, it says see the rule, and then it says you can request another review or edit it in Ad Manager. When you request a second review, they are supposed to manually let a human being review it. But I tell you that it's a deception. They will not let any person review it. The system will still reject it again. So when they say click on rule, see rule, when you come here, they will tell you that we do not allow ads to use deceptive or misleading business practices that might scam people out of their money or personal information. Then when you check here, it says promoting financial support to mislead people into sharing sensitive information, using the image of a public figure to bait people into into clicking, or making sensational or unverified claims about the efficacy of a product. Then it says read in full, so I'm going to read it in full further. So when you come here, you see investment or banking opportunities, health or weight loss, misleading schemes to promote free products. That is what the policy is talking about. And then also I will still show you more about it here. Meta advertising standards. Okay, so when you scroll down, for example, you get to fraud, scams, and deceptive practices. This and under that we have fraud, scams, and deceptive practices. We have unacceptable business practices, circumventing system. And when you come under the fraud, scams, and deceptive practices, or unacceptable business practices, you see more about it here. This is all that I was just talking. You see all that they are asking. Ads can, if you come to here, financial, investment or bank, we often see these types of violations in schemes relating to investment or banking opportunities, health or weight loss, misleading scheme to promote free products, and then all that. And when you come here, it says ads can use deceptive or exaggerated claims about the success of a product, use deceptive or exaggerated claims about health related, and then promises financial benefit by misrepresenting an entity. If you come here too and you click on learn more, you will see that under this, if you come here, it says there's a part where they were talking about loans. Good. Especially this part, investment of financial fraud and scams. Investment opportunities content. Offer investment opportunities where returns on investment are guaranteed or risk-free. Offers investment. They are trying to say that content that you cannot run ads that talk about this. You can run ad that offers investment opportunities where the opportunity is of get rich quick nature and claims that a small investment can be turned into a large amount. You see, so that is exactly what they are saying. And then you can't run money cash flip, offers to turn a certain sum of money into a larger. Yeah, so all these are against Facebook policies. So it is very difficult to be able to uh, run ads that genuinely may be teaching people how to make money online or how to invest into certain types of businesses. It is really very difficult looking at the nature of this policy. So what I will advise you is that if you are running advert that relates to this, most of the time, the last time when I had a similar one, they rejected it several times, especially when I tried to explain the process in a video. So my advice for you to get it resolved is, and I will show you one here. This is what I did for them to be able to accept it. I still used a video. In fact, I finally used a video and a flyer and they approved it. So this is the flyer. If you see the flyer, I just spoke about digital marketing and content monetization. So in it, I focus on teaching them certain things that will help them to understand. I just want to enlarge my screen a bit so that you can see some of the things that are stated there. Let me see here. Good. So you see, I said I would teach Facebook and Instagram ad, content monetization, YouTube monetization, TikTok monetization, because earlier on I was telling them the step-by-step process and how much money they can earn. And so when you focus on telling them how much money they can earn or the profit they can make, they're going to have a problem with you. But if you succeed, or if you try to explain, if you focus on the training you are going to give to them, so that the potential of the earning they can make will rather be on your landing page. Or if they are going to WhatsApp you, you make sure that when they WhatsApp you or when they go to your landing page, they can read more of the information that you want there. Because if more of that information you want them to see is on the Facebook, they are going to reject it. They are going to reject it. And the advert will continue to be rejected. So a flyer can help where you will not talk much, don't focus much about the profit they will make. And secondly, if it is a video, don't talk much about the profit they will make. Just try to explain what you are going to teach them and the potential. I want to show you another thing here so that you will see. So instead of telling them that you will help them invest and make money or make profit, you can, for example, use something like discover new ways. Let me show this one. Unlock new opportunities. So for example, with One Success Community, join a vibrant network where you can gain valuable insight, develop skills, and explore potential ways to grow your income. Start your journey towards personal and financial growth today. So I took time to write something like this, and it was also approved. It was approved because here I'm not directly telling people that they are going to make. I'm just trying to explain to them that if they follow this one is going to, or this program or this training is going to have a lot of understanding that can increase their personal wealth or their income, or help to make them financially stable. So if you make some of these changes following what I said, all the recommendations I put in, your advert will be approved, because I suffered this policy violation on several occasions and I have learned how to solve it. And I know if you follow the same process, you will also be able to solve it. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, and like this video. Leave your comments in the comment section. You can follow the WhatsApp or Telegram link to contact me if you still have any problem. And once again, see you in the next video. Bye.